Built on our award-winning AV receivers, we made the best even better. The new AVR X Series, world-class home entertainment. With our acclaimed HEOS music streaming technology now built in, the AVR X2400H opens up a whole new world of unlimited music sources, comfortable control options, and multi-room experience. Control all your music effortlessly anywhere in your home with the free HEOS app. Stream from music services like Pandora, Spotify, Amazon Music, SiriusXM, and more. Add more HEOS family products and play different music from different sources in every room. Or the same song in every room perfectly synchronized. All is controlled by the free HEOS app, installed on as many smartphones and tablets as needed. Let's not forget about the built-in Bluetooth and AirPlay capability to quickly stream music from your smartphone to the AV receivers. Experience 7 discrete high-power, high-current capable power amp channels, delivering enough power to fill your room with renowned Denon sound. Feel every dimension in Dolby Atmos. Captivating three-dimensional sound from literally any direction, even overhead. Get submerged in every scene. DTS:X immersive audio places sound where it would occur naturally in space, creating a lifelike multi-dimensional audio experience in the home. The AVR X2400H provides plenty of HDMI inputs, including one on the front panel, to connect Blu-ray players, set-top boxes, or game consoles at the same time. Create a stunning home cinema experience with all the latest HDMI video technologies, including high dynamic range, HDCP 2.2, Dolby Vision, and 4K upscaling. It's incredibly quick and easy to get your home entertainment system up and running. Our further improved setup assistant makes it a breeze. With the included measuring microphone, Odyssey's advanced Mult-EQ XT room acoustic measurement system perfectly matches your speakers to your room. And with the optional Odyssey Mult-EQ editor app, advanced users can view and adjust the settings made by the automatic setup. You can control your AVR via our Denon 2016 AVR remote app, which is available in both iOS and Android versions, and also for the Kindle Fire. With Quick Select, you can choose your favorite sources via a single button, and your specific audio settings to these sources will be recalled as well. Thanks to its sophisticated in-command feature set, you can also access the AVR via a number of home automation systems, including partner control companies. All is achieved with remarkably low energy consumption, thanks to the advanced Eco mode. All new AV receivers are yet another step up in the highly acclaimed Denon X series that is the perfect answer to today's individual entertainment and connectivity needs at every price point.
With years of obsession and inspired craftsmanship, nothing is compromised when designing the Avantage lineup. Enjoy each input in stunning 4K Ultra HD and video upscaling, and HDCP 2.2 support, and listen to high-definition audio over the network connection. For added convenience, listen to countless hours of music from smartphones or tablets via the built-in Bluetooth connection. Stepping into an RX-A 750 comes with serious benefits. Most notably is the ability to listen to another pair of speakers in another area of the house. With the push of one button, Party Mode will power up the second zone and will mirror whatever is playing in the main theater. When listening to music in the second area of the home is easier than ever to control inputs, volume, track selection, and much more from your smartphone or tablet with the use of the AV Controller app, available in major app stores. With 4K video upscaling and HDCP 2.2 support, high-definition audio playback, 2 rooms of audio, all with two-way control from the AV Controller app. An elegant aluminum front panel adds beauty and strength to the incredibly rigid Avantage chassis structure. A set of newly designed vibration-resistant feet and the iconic 5th foot or art wedge serve as a solid resonant-free foundation. The latest ESS Sabre digital-to-analog converters, symmetrical amplifier layout, and large power transformer all contribute to the sonic purity of Avantage sound recreation. These Avantage AV receivers support the latest 3D surround sound formats. Engage the processing power of Cinema DSP HD Cubic for an unmatched 3D surround experience. Achieving this level of realism is only possible with the precise room calibration capabilities of the Yamaha Parametric Acoustic Optimizer. With MusicCast, you can share this entertainment experience throughout your home by linking other MusicCast-enabled speakers, soundbars, and hi-fi products. The intuitive MusicCast app lets you control it all from the palm of your hand. With features including full support from 4K Ultra HD video, advanced multi-zone functionality, MusicCast capability, and of course, the remarkable construction quality. Classic Yamaha Designs meets a new audio technology with the RS-202 stereo receiver. Enjoy the sound performance expected from Yamaha, now with the convenience of Bluetooth pairing. Play all of your popular music streaming services from smartphones and tablets, and rest assured that this stereo receiver will offer countless hours of musical enjoyment. Connecting to the back panel is simpler than ever with 4 analog inputs, 1 record output, and AM/FM antenna connections. Although a 2-channel receiver, there are 4 speaker outputs that support the option to listen to speakers A, speakers B, or all 4 speakers simultaneously if needed. Ideal when sound in 2 separate areas is desired. For private listening, a front panel jack provides a rich, clean, and detailed headphone connection. When making selections on the front panel, notice the brushed finish along with the classic swirls on the volume dial. This, coupled with a neat LED display, allows the RS-202 to have the look and feel any enthusiast would be proud to own. Additional and notable features built into the receiver would be the sleep timer, tone control, initial and maximum volume, along with adjustable brightness settings for the front panel. With a discrete amplifier topology, versatile connectivity that includes Bluetooth pairing with mobile devices, housed in a chassis based on legendary hi-fi expertise from Yamaha.
Hear every detail, feel every emotion with Onkyo's all-new TX-RZ900 and TX-RZ800 7.2 channel network AV receivers. Custom designed to reference standards, featuring separate amps and processing blocks, high current transformers and capacitors. Along with gold-plated speaker terminals, the RZ was created with one main purpose in mind: rich, lush, detailed sound. Feel the rumble and hear the roar of Onkyo's dynamic audio amplification, extending all the way down to 5 Hz for floor-shaking bass impact, timing, imaging, and musicality. The RZ Series high current amplifier produces sound that is immensely powerful, yet completely free of digital noise, thanks to vector linear shaping circuitry. From cherished vinyl recordings to newfound high-res favorites, the AKM 384 kHz 32-bit DAC pushes the limits of hi-fi and home theater audio. Equipped with the latest HDMI terminals featuring HDCP 2.2, as well as support for 4K 60Hz and 444 color space, the RZ series is ready for 4K Ultra HD entertainment. Be among the first to experience truly lifelike, multi-dimensional sound with DTS-X, featuring interactivity that lets you personalize your listening experience. Introducing DTS-X, Sound Unbound. Also featuring award-winning Dolby Atmos and THX Select 2 Plus certification. The RZ series will transport you right into the center of the action, just as the director intended. With 7.2 multi-channel pre-outs, an RS-232 port, RI and IR inputs, and 12-volt triggers, the RZ900 and RZ800 are ideal for custom home automation installation. Add independent Zone 2 HDMI along with powered Zones 2 and 3 for audio, and your home is ready to go for multi-zone entertainment.
The Pioneer Elite SC72 is a receiver designed for the person who really wants the control and power needed for a multi-room system. First, let's focus on power. Pioneer's Class D3 amplifiers have some fantastic benefits. First of all, they're perfect for the latest high-resolution audio formats, such as Dolby True HD, DTS Master Audio, Apple Lossless, AIFF, WAVE, and FLAC files. Those formats require an amplifier with great dynamic range and an extremely wide frequency response. In other words, they need to be able to reproduce the highest highs and the lowest lows, as well as show all the detail in all types of music, from the softest whisper to the roar of a rock concert. Power is another key ingredient for the latest receivers. Modern receivers commonly have 7 channels of amplification, and those amplifiers are often used to power not only your home theater, but to power speakers in another room as well. Unlike traditional Class AB amplifiers, our Class D3 amplifiers don't significantly drop in power when all channels are driven to their maximum potential. Class D3 amplifiers are also strong enough to run 7 channels of 4 ohm speakers as well. That means you always get the absolute best performance out of all your speakers all the time. Efficiency is another hallmark of our Class D3 amplifiers. Traditional Class AB amplifiers are commonly about 60% efficient. That means only 60% of the energy you're pulling out of your wall is turned into music. 40% is turned into heat. Class D3 amplifiers are over 90% efficient. That means more power to your speakers and less heat. Generating less heat means you can place a Pioneer receiver with D3 amplifiers in a rack of AV gear without having to worry about building up potentially damaging heat. Class D amplification done right opens up a whole new world of detail and power never before available in a receiver. Pioneer has been taking advantage of this technology since our $7,000 flagship receiver several years ago. We have continued to strive for Class D excellence in our research and development of cutting-edge amplifier technology. Our efforts have allowed us to offer our 3rd generation Class D3 amplifiers at an affordable price that deliver more multi-channel simultaneous power than our competitors. The Elite SC72 has some impressive HDMI capabilities as well, including 8 inputs and 2 outputs, all of which are capable of 3D and 4K Ultra HD pass-through. In fact, the SC72 can even scale all of your lower resolution to 4K Ultra HD, making sure all of your video looks as good as it possibly can on your new 4K Ultra HD TV. The SC72 has 2 HDMI outputs. One is for your main home theater, and the other can be used for a second zone. This means you can watch one HDMI source in your main home theater and watch a different HDMI source in another room, like the bedroom, all from the same receiver. Pioneer continues to be a leader in smartphone connectivity. Not only can you plug in your iOS device into the front USB port for listening to your favorite music, but the front HDMI also doubles as an MHL 2.0 input for high-definition playback from smartphones and other devices. If you don't want to physically connect your smartphone, the SC72 has you covered there as well. Push music to the receiver using AirPlay or HTC Connect and roam free throughout your house while streaming music from your phone or tablet. AirPlay and HTC Connect are just a few of the networking features available on the SC72. You can also use DLNA 1.5 to stream music from PCs or networked hard drives. If you're connected to the internet, you can use the built-in vTuner or Pandora features. The network connection also allows you to control the SC72 either from Pioneer's iControl AV 2013 app for iOS or Android devices, or from third-party remote control systems such as Control4, Crestron, or Savant. Being an elite receiver, the SC72 is designed with custom integration in mind. Besides network IP control, you also have RS-232, IR ports, and 12-volt triggers. Multi-room and multi-source is also available and made simple throughout the entire Elite line. The SC72 gives you up to 4 zones of entertainment. It can distribute 2 zones of HDMI-based high-definition video, 1 zone of analog audio and video, as well as a powered zone of music by using 2 of the 7 channels of amplification. The SC72 even has a simple on-screen overlay to show volume and input on your main TV, which is especially helpful if the receiver is hidden away and out of sight. Powerful Pioneer Class D3 amplification, 4K Ultra HD upscaling, unsurpassed smartphone and networking capabilities, as well as custom install features and sophisticated multi-room control, all add up to make the SC72 an amazing receiver.